Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna test out the Jen Atkins and e.l.f. collaboration. So if you wanna see what the products are, how they work, then just keep watching. So I bought everything today from Ulta, and that has turned out to be a downfall for me, actually, for once. So let's just get into the collection. So the collection comes in with this kit, or this palette, which is the Do This palette. Anyways, it's basically face and eyes for $14. And then I accidentally bought this. So I decided they have things that you can buy individually, which is what I put in the cart, which was the Zero Effort liner, and it's in just jet black for $5. But then I saw that they had kits, so I went to go buy the kit, which is the Eyes Up Here kit for $12. Meant to take this out of my cart and forgot, so I have an extra eyeliner. But the kit comes with an eyeliner, a eyebrow duo brush, and a brow pomade that's clear. So this is $12. And then I believe you can purchase these separately, but I bought, again, the kit. So this is the extra lip kit. So it's 3 lips with liners on the other end, so they're duo end. This is $20 for the kit. Let me see if I can find for you how much it would be if you just bought one individually. Okay, individually it's $8 if you want to just buy one of them. So let's go ahead and get into this. The reason that I say that buying from Ulta ended up being a problem is because on Ulta's website, it did not show shades. It just said that this was all there was. It doesn't offer any option. And when you actually pull up, like on Ulta's website, I'm just doing it again just to refresh and make sure I'm not lying. It doesn't say a color. I don't see anywhere that it says a color. However, when I go to my like receipt section, it says that it's medium to deep. And sure as shit, the packaging says medium to deep. But there's literally no other option on Ulta's website. So I went to e.l.f. to see if this is just the only thing, and it's not. They actually do have a light to medium. It's sold out at the moment. So we're gonna attempt to use this. I'm pale as hell. So I'm gonna try to use the face products. If I can't, then I'm just gonna turn those into eyeshadows and we'll just use what I have. But we're gonna try. So let's open this up first. Okay, so this is the medium to deep. To be honest, I might be able to use this. So I don't know how this is medium to deep. So we got a bronzer, blush, highlighter. This is not happening for me. There's no way that would be a highlighter for me, but that could be a really pretty shimmer on my eye. And then you just have these eyeshadows. So let's try it. I'm gonna try to do the bronzer, which is gonna be very light-handed. I think I'm gonna do this too. I'm gonna use a duo fiber brush so that hopefully I don't get as much product. I'm nervous. Man, my background is constantly stealing the frickin' show. Woo! You gotta be careful. Okay, we're just gonna take some off on my hand. You know, I can't say I've used e.l.f.'s bronzers ever. I don't think I ever have. This is annoying me. You see straps and then it looks like I have straps. So using a light hand and a duo fiber brush, I was able to use it. It is slightly too deep and like orangey on me, but it's still workable, which means there is no way deep skin could use this. I don't know why this is medium to deep. This is like straight medium. Like a medium could definitely pack this on, whereas like I'm trying to be very careful. I don't know, what do you think? Too bad? Come on, me, thank you. I think it's doable as long as you are careful. I'm pale, like as pale comes. All right, let's just try to use the blush. The blush should be easy. I just need to, again, be light-handed. It's just kind of like a pinky color, so it's not something I normally gravitate towards, but I definitely think would look really pretty on medium to deep skin tones. We're gonna leave it at this, but because I'm actually gonna go out in public after this, I'm gonna go ahead and calm this down a little bit. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury powder in Fair just to kind of calm down the color a little. I said build a bit of The only downside sometimes to doing this is that it can then make it look really ashy, but we need to calm it down. Whoa, let me lower my lighting. Hopefully that helps you see better. So there's no way I can use this highlighter. I'm just gonna use my own. It's going with Anastasia and Amrezy. I've not used this in forever because I need to be summer so that I can have somewhat of a tan. And since we're using a deeper everything else, might as well. Now let's do eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this and kind of start my crease and see how deep I can get that on my skin tone since I am lighter. For a deep skin tone though, this would look really cute as like doing a matte lid shade. I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. I'm actually gonna film a different video doing my eyes using a Milani palette, only because this is the deep kit. So the deep is something that I wouldn't really touch these unless I was doing a dark smoky eye. And it's 1 o'clock on Saturday, so I've got stuff to do. So I don't really want to jump into these. However, these shadows are really nice. Playing with this one is really nice. So I can imagine the other ones are gonna be really nice. Plus I really do like e.l.f. shadows. So I'm gonna have to actually finish my eye makeup later. Let's just jump into eyebrows real quick and then I'll come back on with my eyes done. So let's open this kit. I think this is the only downside to me only having one day to really film things, is like I have to bulk film. So I have to do my eyes separately. Anyways, so let's use this pencil. Oh no. Are you shitting me? I'm so stupid. I didn't even pay attention. It's a brush. I didn't even look at that. I literally just saw this part and was like, oh cool, it's gonna be a brow pencil. I was literally just thinking, well, how do they know what shade I want? Well, I don't have pomade, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows real quick. I'm just gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury brow cheat that I just bought. Okay, brows are done, so let's use their gel now. It's just clear, obviously. I was gonna say clearly and I felt like that was too much. Oh, okay, interesting. It's like literally, come on. Okay, it's literally like a brush. Oh, come back. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. So it's literally a brush. Super interesting. I feel like I couldn't feel it as I put it on, but I could see it in my brows. So interesting. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna now go ahead and do the eye makeup and then I'll come back and we'll finish the lips and eyeliner. Yes, I'll be right back. Okay, my eyeshadow is done. If you want to see what I did or how I got it, I was reviewing the Milani palette. So if you want to see that, I'll try to remember to link it. Emphasis on the try. Sorry, somebody is now freaking mowing their yard. I just cannot film today, apparently. All right, so this next product is the Zero Effort Liner in Jet Black. I'm really close. Sorry, I was leaning my hands on the thing. Ooh, that is like butter. This is no longer a daytime look. Well, we're gonna put this in our waterline. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It like glides on like butter. Now let's just hope it doesn't glide off like butter. So far, this liner is amazing and I'm definitely glad I have a backup. This thing, I mean like barely touch and it's gliding on. Let me put mascara on real quick and then we'll move on to the lips. My shirt is throwing this off so bad now. I just used the Dior Iconic Overcurl. If you're curious, let's open the lips now. I have not had like an intense eye look in so long. I kind of missed it. I just literally my everyday is putting bronzer on. That's it, on my lid. So it looks like we have, they really don't have shade names on here. Oh, here we go. So this is the Ready to Go one. Holy shit, that's bright. Okay, it's like a Ready Coral. So the liner is an exact match. I wish, there we go. Look how bright that is. shit. Okay, so we have it ready to go. This one is Self-Made Pink. Interesting. I don't see that much pink in it. I like this shade. Okay, so this is the Self-Made Pink. Again, let me get my lights to be dark. Thank you. So you can see the true color. That's actually really pretty. And the last one is Bring It On Brown. Oh, that's a shade I'll probably never grab. And this is Bring It On Brown. Come on. There you go. So for me, we're probably gonna have to do the Self-Made Pink just because of my skin tone. Let me take my gloss off. Okay. Shoot, I just set it down. No. No. You. So we'll use the lip liner on one side. Georgianne. I already made a boo-boo. I am not good at lining my lips. Okay, so this color is pretty much just my lip color. Like, slightly darker. All right, let's use the lipstick now. I need to stop using a magnifying glass because this is throwing me off. You would think that the magnification would help, but it's not. This is a really pretty color, especially with the eye look. I need to change shirts. You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, better. Still not the greatest because it's got daisies, but good enough. All right, let's talk products now that we're done. So the face palette, I think it's great for medium skin tone. I don't think this would be good, sorry, the reflection. I don't think this would be good for deep skin tone, light skin tone. I can make it work, but it's pretty hard. This would be nice for winter for me though, the eyeshadows. As far as quality, I think this is amazing. I love it actually. If you're a pomade person, then this kit might be nice. Otherwise, this is just a wasteful brush, for me at least. The gel, it's all right. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I also don't hate it. For the price, I think it's good, but I'm not like overwhelmed, like, oh my God, this is amazing. But for the price, I do think it's really nice. What I do really love is this eyeliner. Why can I not talk? Eyeliner pencil, super, super creamy, which is my preference because I don't want to tug anything. As far as like if it's gonna come off though, I don't know. Yeah, it's already come off a little bit. At least like it's faded because of the water from my eye. This one I'll have to update you on, so I'll update in the comments or in the description after I've worn it the rest of the day and see how it works. As far as the lip product, if you found a shade that you liked, I actually really like these. Otherwise, two of the shades for me, I'm hardly ever gonna touch. One of the shades, which is the one I used today, I do really, really like. The liner for me isn't like the best liner. That also though might have been because I had a lip balm on before. I tried wiping off as much as I can, but it did not want to move at all on my top lip. Like not move, but it didn't want to stay, like it wasn't pigmented until I was able to fully get off the lip balm. So these though are really nice, again, if you find the color that you like. Overall though, I do really like the collection. I think e.l.f. is really affordable, but really good quality. So I definitely think you should pick it up. But yeah, that is everything I have for this video though. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.